Welcome, today in front of me ZTE Axon 30, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first let's open Google application and then click here on the right upper corner. After that tap here to the settings and then click to voice. After that tap to voice match and then you'll see here Hey Google switcher. Just to activate the Hey Google option we should click here on the switcher, then tap to next, read this description, click yes I agree, tap to continue. And now we can see that Hey Google feature successfully activated, but also we should add our voice model, so click here to retain voice model and say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now let's just click here to finish. And that's it. When we'll say now Hey Google or Okay Google, we can see that this option successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.